I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. I know I've been gone for quite a long time, but if you stick to the end of my video, and to the end of this video actually, you will actually find out to what happened to me and why was I gone, and basically a little life update. And yeah, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a simple but yet bold look for fall inspo. So I've been seeing so many people post beautiful eye looks, but you know, sometimes we don't have time to be doing eye looks in the morning, so why not do something simple but yet bold, and something like, you know, fall inspo, screams fall. I feel like this screams fall, girlfriend. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You get to recreate it, and yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell button while you're at it so you can get notified every time I upload. Best believe I'm gonna be uploading Halloween looks this year, so my next upcoming look will be a Halloween look. It's gonna be, again, another simple, easy Halloween look that you guys can recreate in case you are either on a budget, on a time crunch, and all of that jazz. So definitely keep on the lookout, and don't forget to also follow me on all my social media, you know, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook page. I'm going to be posting constantly, especially now that Halloween is here. We're here on October. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to, again, do the same thing, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started now. Alright, so I actually did the, my eyebrows and my eyes. They're completely done. And I actually use, you know, the same old, and it's the Pro Concealer from L.A Girls, because this is by far my baby, my ride or die. It's something that does not let me down at all. And then I actually started using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Banana. I don't know if you guys, it's because I got, like, you know, this, but you know, I hope you guys can see it from the back. There you go. You guys can screenshot it. So the first thing I want to do is definitely prep your skin, because we're going to be working on, well, let's do the eyes first. What I tend to do is I just either put a liner or don't put nothing and just put the lashes on. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using a liquid eyeliner to make this really quick and simple. It's just going to be an eyeliner, a line across the inner to the outer corner. I'm not even going to do a wing, because again, this looks supposed to be like very bold on the lips, very soft on the rest of the skin. So I'm going to be using the Galactic Beauty Precise Eyeliner Marker, by far my favorite. I know my nails are claws. I'm just kidding. They are long, but you know, it is what it is. So what you want to do is you want to start by the inner, and then doing like a really thin line across the lid to the outer. Definitely shouldn't be looking like this, but you know, it looks like a little small, you know, a little small, but it's okay. Sorry if I'm looking that way, but my monitor's on that side. I'm still figuring that out. But let me just go ahead and do the other eye. Alright, next what we're going to do is face, which is the simple quick thing. You can definitely pop lashes if you would like, but I will do that towards the end of the video. What I like to do first is prep my skin, and I mean prep it, like, girlfriend, prep your skin, because you do not want to break out. Look, I fell asleep with my makeup and I'm like breaking out on some of my faces of my face, and I'm gonna start going on a diet, girlfriend. So I'm using the Embryolaze Hydration. I like to use this on my clients a lot, so I have a bigger bottle, like a bigger tube that I use on them. Like, I don't use a lot of makeup, honestly. Like, I don't use makeup every day. When I go to work, it's literally a bare face with my little chonguito. Like, literally, it's like my little chonguito because my hair's so small that I can't even make like a little bun on the top of my head. So you see, this is what I mean. You have to be extra careful. If you have fallout, clean it out. Wow. Now I'm gonna go with the Milk Hydro. So as you can see, like, I'm really like running low on this, and I need to buy the bigger version because I freaking love this. Like, I love it so much that it makes like my makeup stay on for the longest. So definitely I try this and I love it. It's super tacky, super secure. It makes my face makeup feel so secure, like my foundation. Like, it's not gonna move anywhere because it's still tacky. Next, what we do is the face. So again, this is like my third bottle because I just love this so much. This is my Born This Way from Too Faced. It's my favorite foundation to use, especially when I go out, when I go with my friends, or anywhere in that manner. So I try not to use too much either because I don't want to kick up my face. And what I do is I actually started doing this. Some Fix Plus. I spray the top. I spray literally like this much. It's a little bit. It's like a little, not a lot. This is good enough for the whole face. And then I just start blending it in. And I drag it down. Alright, so once this is done, I'm going to go ahead and conceal my face. And again, you can use any concealer that you love. So what I do end up going with is a little bit of this. And then a little bit of the Born This Way concealer. So that's like about it. That. I want to like snatch my nose, so definitely I'm trying new techniques. Hopefully it works. Next thing you know is I do little dots on top, but just to give it like that little bit of like warmth to it. And then I just start blending it out. You see? Oh yeah, sweet cheeks. And then I just hit my damn self. I'm gonna go ahead and start blending out what is under the eyes. So I used the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in Mayron, and this is a deeper skin complexion, super warm, and I use a stipple brush from E.LF. This is what I do, and I don't put a lot because again, a lot goes along the way, and I just go ahead and start blending it out. This is like my little contour trick. Whenever you want to have like waterproof on your face, I feel like creams, it's like the best way to go because your makeup just lasts all day, and it just makes it feel like more flawless, you know. So again, I do my temples just because I do have a round face. We're gonna go ahead and, I don't want to say bake, but basically bake. So you want to set the whole face up. And then what I do next is I start contouring. I use this E.LF 105 brush, and I'm going to be using a little bit of my contour Wet n Wild, this one right here, And again, I focus this up. Everything has to go up. Nothing too low. You're basically setting your contour, which is the best thing, honestly. And then I go in with this face powder from E.LF. Again, I love E.LF. It's brushes, super good. And I'm just super upset that they're closing down a lot of their stores in Manhattan, and it's super upsetting because last time, like, I'm barely in Manhattan a lot since I work in Brooklyn. And their E.LF that there was in World Trade Center, which is really close to my home, they're closed. Like, they're not there anymore. So I think they're gonna just start selling their stuff in Target, but I'm not completely 100% sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyelashes. I'm gonna put them on, and then I'm gonna get back and show you what lip products I'm gonna use. Right, I am back. So now what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be lining up our lips, and then we're gonna be putting on a lipstick on. So the shade that I actually was trying to aim for was either a red, which was a really bold look, or a fall type of look that, you know, because it's fall, you use like a really dark brown. So, you know, I went for the dark brown because why not? So I'm gonna be using Nabi is the name of the lip pencil, and it's a black brown. That's the name of the pencil, and it looks like this. The color, ooh, I'm showing you the color ready for the lipstick. It looks like this, and the shade is actually like this right here. So it's a really dark brown, and then we're gonna, obviously, like you saw it, we're gonna be using a Kat Von D lipstick. You know, I freaking love her lipsticks. Like, can we just, like, I know this was, I think, in old packaging, unless she still has this packaging, but you know, I love this packaging. And this one is in Hawkwind, and again, it's a dark shade brown. So again, I'm doing a brown lip because why not? We are doing a simple look. All right. So this is the finishing look. It's super fall vibes, super simple, super like nothing out of, like, you know, just the big bold lips. It's what's like I'm loving right now. It's super fall vibes. Oh my god, I love it. Why didn't I do this look before? Like, I've been like actually seeing around like a lot of, like, you know, colorful eyes, and again, nude lips, which is okay. I don't really mind it. That's a look that I'm actually thinking about uploading on Monday, just because on Friday I'm going to be uploading a Halloween look. Or it's going to be vice versa, depending on what I'm doing, but most likely, because you're going to be seeing the same outfit, which I apologize. You're going to be seeing the same outfit because after this video I'm going to be doing most likely the Halloween look, and then I'm going to be working on the colorful eye, well, like sort of like a fall vibe eye for Monday's look. But yes, thank you guys for sticking all the way to the end. So if you guys are still here watching my video trying to see the outcome of this look, then I'm just gonna take away 2 minutes from your time. And I do want to apologize because I did not really, I just left. Like, I keep saying I'm coming back and it's for real this time, but honestly, like, I do want to come back and want it to be for real, but health wise it's not the greatest. I did gain a couple pounds, I would say that, and it's something that I'm actually like planning on losing. But not only that, like I'm getting surgery done within 2 weeks, and I don't really talk about this, not even on my Instagram. Like I don't post any of this situation in my Instagram because I feel like this is mostly like about me, and it's more like in a private area. But you know, if I'm gonna be trying to upload videos, I'm gonna have to give you guys an explanation somehow. So I did mention in my previous video, I'm pretty sure, that I do have a cyst, and that we have been, well, my doctor has been monitoring my cyst. And well, what ended up happening is that it grew bigger, and it's not getting any smaller, and I think it's 9 centimeters long, and it was, I think, 6 or 7 when they found it. So it did grow, and they did tell me, what they gave me options, you know, we could just keep on, like, you know, doing a sonogram to see how it's looking, if it burst or anything like that. But it's not bursting, and it's very uncomfortable. It's giving me a discomfort in my stomach. I'd be having these like insane pains, and it just hurts, and it's like in that particular area. So I said, you know what, let's get the surgery done, and I want this out. Like I want it out. I don't want it inside of me anymore. Like there's a lot of risks, again, when it comes to like surgeries, so I have to take care of myself for the next 2 weeks and the weeks actually after that. But like, you know, try not to eat like fast food, drinking a lot more water, changing my diet in that aspect. So yeah, again, I've been also working weekends. I've been taking jobs on the weekends, and that has been making me pretty busy. That sometimes I'm just super tired and I don't have time to record a video because I'm tired and I want to take that time to sleep. So I decided to, like, you know, take a chill pill, take a step back, and, you know, retract myself from everything and try to figure out you know, what am I doing wrong, or what should I change. And that also consists of my diet. So you'll definitely be seeing videos of me more often. And if I have to change the dates, because I've been trying to manage my dates because of work. I work Monday to Friday, and then weekends I do work sometimes. I'm going to be changing most likely either Tuesdays, Thursdays, Saturdays, or Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. But I'm going to definitely keep it for now Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays, because I used to love that schedule. But hopefully I stick to that one and I create more videos. So that's why after this video, taking this off and restarting a whole new look, Halloween look for you guys. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking out. I'm definitely trying to do a giveaway, but I think it's gonna be once I reach 500 subscribers. I think I'm at 300 and something, so I have 100 and something left. So definitely keep it on the lookout. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you actually like suffer from cysts and stuff like that. I want to know your life story about it. I want to know your story about it actually, and what Halloween looks would you guys would like to see. I am so pumped up for that. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you on to my next one. Bye.